Yes! Pitas-pitas tayo. Oh!
Oops.
Ng kamatis.
That was a fail, huh?
Kamatis na maliliit. What did you call this, Mr. Mon?
Everglades tomatoes.
Everglade tomatoes. Oh.
You tested me and I remember.
Tanim namin. Oh, yan. Diba? May libre na kaming kamatis. Oh, daming bunga po. Oh, yan. Kakatuwang tignan. Oh, ang lilit nila. Oh, ang cute. Ang cute ng aming pananim na kamatis. Pitas tayo. Pag may tinanim, may aanihin. Yan. Pinakabibili ng kamatis. Lalagay namin sa salad. Lalagay namin sa vegetable
Pick
salad.
the ones that fell off.
Oh, yun dami na nang napitas si Mr. Oh.
The orange, light yellow ones like that, we're going to leave those.
Just leave.
Yeah, let them ripen for a couple more days. Yeah, that was marginal.
Yan ang buhay. Amerika. Magtanim para may anihin. Dahil mahal ang bilihin. Cute na. Aming bunga nung aming. Yun na. Oh, di ba? Nakaanin na kami ng kamatis.